beautiful people, lovers of freedom all over the world. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening for wherever you might be watching me from. I do appreciate your support always on this channel. I am grateful. In case you are seeing my face for the first time, I am AGATHA Progress channel here on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. Do well to support Biafra referendum, because in Biafra, we shall rejoice together. All right, I have a wonderful video here that I want us to watch together. I don't know how you felt about it, but I do hope you pick some sense from it. Now here is the video. Watch it and I will be right back.
At ease! Attention! Salute! Rest! Now, Field Marshal Grandpa, he got the award batches to legitimate soldiers that we don't train them. Others than still take a field. We never finish training, but this one we not see for long line. Here we don't train, we don't confirm saying that the legitimate buffaloes and this. In the days ahead, you're going to see other buffaloes them. More than 150 in number. They got the award down for the officers them. Then later the officers got award down for the other subordinates them. We're going to start from the first officer. We're now Major Ali. We're going to receive the badges from the Field Marshal. Now he needs to come. The next person will be Major DJ. We're going to come and receive the own award from the Field Marshal. We'll now call on Captain Simograng from the east. They come, they receive the own award from the Field Marshal. Alian Gashungang, you don't see the Field Marshal Grandpa, the award Gashungang from the east. The next person will be Captain Lavista from the east. Captain Lavista. Yes, Captain Lavista come up from the east of Balinyanga. They in command the buffaloes of that area. For them call now on Commander Wamama, as General Commander from the north. Yes, Commander Wamama, he received his own of the Field Marshal. And now the officers, where Field Marshal be get to design them. He don't design them finish. Now Field Marshal thought say he not gonna design anybody, but the officer we don't design them, they gonna design their subordinates there. So any officer make it come ahead, he collect batches, he go design his subordinates them, or officer them. So a Field Marshal, he don't talk say this 148 soldiers with the day here, like the one way don't succeed train them, others 2 days for training. beg on the interim government and people of goodwill, say make them make Operation One Man, One Gun. It take place for Bali Yonga, so that the buffaloes they gonna be proud. The people gonna be proud. Say the buffaloes they fit defend them successfully. Now you don't see the officers that is designed. They don't design their foot soldiers. They give them congratulatory messages and then they give them courage to face the freedom war. Yes. As a Baliman always say, he must talk with vernacular. The foot soldiers are designing, the officers are designing their foot soldiers to fight the freedom war, giving them courage so that all confidence, restoration, and going to Boya will be clear. After this scene, dancing and singing for this first.
Bafanji Market Square, the entrance of Bafanji Market Square, the flag is flying there. It has been there for quite a long time with some fufuko under. But the recalcitrants, they are refusing to come. They put the flag and kept some food for them to come and eat. All the 7 flags that was put here were hosted here. 3 of them have some fufuko under for the recalcitrant element of La Republic to come and eat them. The useless people, but they are refusing to come since morning. Now it's about, what is the time now? Let me look the time. Now it's about 10:50. Then they have not yet come to remove them. Meaning that we have won since the flag has been here for more than 10 hours, 8 hours now. No one has even threatened to remove it, meaning that we have won. Winning everywhere. I believe everywhere in Ambazonia have hosted their flag today before anything like marching or any other thing else. So this flag, there is another one right in front, about 200 meters, if you can see well, 200 meters apart from this one, flying also that way. All right, thanks be to God. This is the voice of the unknown soldier of the Black Scorpion. One spirit, one love, no retreat, no surrender. La Republic no get chance for Southern Cameroon. Victory is ours. Boya now tomorrow.
You lack something. You lack something. You lack something. If you don't know Amba, you lack something. You lack something. You lack something. You lack something. If you don't know Amba, you lack something. Oh, civilians will tell you you lack something. Soldiers will tell you you lack something. You lack something. You lack something. You lack something. If you don't know Amba, you lack something. You lack something. You lack something. You lack something. If you don't know Amba, you lack something. Oh, civilians will tell you you lack something. Soldiers will tell you you lack something.
That is how Biafra will come like a twinkle of an eyes. Everything is working under God's control. God have his own time as we prepare hopefully for a referendum, because the only thing that we assured right now, the only thing that we are waiting for right now is referendum. Referendum decide the fate of the people, where you want to belong to. All right, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this wonderful update. I still remain AGATHA Progress here on YouTube, any day, anytime. Thank you very much for always supporting me. I really do appreciate. If you know you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe, like, and share. See you when I see you. For now, bye.